Hey guys, today I want to talk about the center console in the Acura units. So on the center console you have, a lot of times you've got a two-piece vinyl section that opens up. And a lot of times what happens is these units, the vinyl begins to bubble and it begins to crack and it gets really bad and messed up. Kind of like the glove box that begins to melt. We have one here that's doing that we have not done yet. We have not fixed it, the customer is doing it. But you will see that it's beginning to melt. So in the video that we posted earlier, where we rewrap that, we can do something very similar with the armrests. In addition, with the seats here, it had some acid damage, and we recovered the vinyl on this vehicle, the perforated vinyl, and we've made it all brand new again for the customer. Thank you for watching. If you have any of these kinds of issues or anything similar and you'd like to learn how to fix it yourself, or if you'd like to get it into me and have it fixed up, go ahead and comment below and let me know, and I'll get in touch with you and either make a video about it or go ahead and talk to you and get it into me so I can go ahead and get it into the shop, get it fixed up for you, and get it sent back out to you. Thank you and have a great day.